it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I'm making Bushwackers. They are a really good drink that have a really funny name. To make the Bushwackers, you're gonna add ice. If you want these to be creamier, you can do half ice and half frozen milk. If you forget to do that, they're still gonna be really good. Then some coconut rum, coffee liqueur, then some regular rum. You won't use all of the rum in the Bushwackers because we're gonna use some of the rum to top the drinks. You gotta add the ice cream. Don't like to dirty extra things, so putting it all in this one measuring cup. You're supposed to put the milk in there, and I didn't bring it. Fun fact, if you forget the milk, you can just put extra ice cream in there. Blend it all together until it's smooth. And then taste it and see if it needs anything else. Ah, so good. It's the best drink. You don't have to do this part, but I think it's fun to add a little chocolate sauce to the inside of your glasses. We're just gonna drizzle some on the inside. I usually forget this step, so feel free to skip it. We will pour in our Bushwackers. If you want to add a floater on top, you can. A floater is just adding a little extra rum on top. Then, to finish it off, we're gonna add some cherries. Done! For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.